Hello kids! Today we are going to do a fun activity. We are going to make headgears for this activity. The things you need are two pastel sheets of any color of your choice, glue, stapler, pencil, marker, eraser, scissor. To start with, we take a pastel sheet and trace any animal of your choice. We are taking an elephant. Now we cut the face . Make sure that you take the help of an adult. Now we stick the eyes and the ears. With the help of this glue. Now we give the details like eyebrows, pupils, ears, trunk, etc. Now the face of the headgear is ready. Now we cut the strip with the size of your head. Now we make a ring with the strip. Now we are stapling this ring. We paste the face to this ring. Now your headgear is ready. We can make any type of headgear of your choice, like these: elephant, giraffe, owl, caterpillar, and a flower. Hope you liked this video and enjoyed this activity. Goodbye.